How to add Bitcoin price widget to your iPhone home screen. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in the name of the application you want to download. For example, Bitcoin price. From the results, select the Bitcoin price widget app as shown. Here, tap on Get to download this app. Double-click the side button to confirm the download. After downloading, tap on Open to open the application. Once you're here, tap on Get Started below. Now, go back to your home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Here, scroll down and select Bitcoin widget as shown. Swipe to view and choose the layout that you want and then tap on Add Widget. After that, tap on Done above. You have now successfully added the Bitcoin widget to the home screen. Following these steps, you can easily add Bitcoin price widget to your iPhone home screen.